day and welcome. I am Anika, bringing you the top headlines from the Travel World online newsroom, India's only 24/7 digital travel TV and radio channel. First, government sees MICE as a strategic driver for business and investment, says ICPB chairman. Marriott to develop 9 luxury hotels and residences across Egypt. Air India launches Easy Connect international flight service from Amritsar. IHG launches AI-powered conversational search to simplify hotel search and booking. And Hyatt debuts Hyatt Place Vithalapur, strengthening presence in India's industrial growth corridor. Now, the news in detail. The Ministry of Tourism is positioning the MISE sector as a vital economic engine for investment, global business partnerships, and knowledge exchange. Sharing his vision for the upcoming 15th Conventions India Conclave at Bharat Mandapam, ICPB Chairman Hari Kishore highlighted India's expanding convention ecosystem, world-class infrastructure, and modern hospitality. The flagship event will bring together global stakeholders from August 19th to 21st, reinforcing Delhi's credential as a premier global business destination. Marriott International has partnered with Misr Italia Properties and People and Places to build 9 luxury hotels and branded residences across Egypt. Representing an investment exceeding 56 billion Egyptian pounds, the projects will introduce over 1,500 rooms under flagship brands like the Ritz-Carlton, the Luxury Collection, and Autograph Collection. Spanning coastal and urban hubs including Ras El Hekma and Cairo, the developments strengthen regional luxury tourism. Air India has introduced its Easy Connect service from Amritsar, providing seamless connections to 27 international destinations through its Delhi hub. Operating 2 daily flights, the service features single through check-in and direct baggage transfer to global destinations across North America, Europe, Australia, and Asia. Designed to benefit Punjab's large diaspora and international trade, Air India plans to expand this hub and spoke model to regional cities nationwide. IHG Hotels and Resorts has introduced beta AI-powered conversational search on ihg.com and its mobile application. The feature allows travelers to search using natural, everyday language, generating personalized recommendations backed by interactive maps, live availability, and direct booking options. IHG CEO Elie Maalouf stated that integrating conversational AI transforms digital guest experiences while opening new rich media visibility options for hotel owners across the global IHG network. Finally, Hyatt Hotels Corporation has expanded its Indian footprint with the opening of Hyatt Place Vithalapur, marking the first international brand entry into Gujarat's growing automotive corridor. The 108-room property features versatile guest rooms, private pool view balconies, the Zing all-day dining restaurant, and modern workspaces. General Manager Bhuvan Chandra noted the hotel is built to cater to corporate teams and conference delegates, driving hospitality infrastructure across emerging industrial hubs. That's all in this news bulletin. For latest news from the world of travel, tourism, hospitality, and aviation, keep watching Travel World Online, India's only 24/7 digital travel TV and radio. Signing off, I am Anika. Jai Hind.
You are watching Travel World Online.